So this is a really old Sprite filter that should have been changed out a long time ago, and my shower head is due for an update. This filter is great for removing chlorine, sediment, heavy metals, and a bunch of other nasty stuff. Do your research. It's a really good filter. So if you need these type of Sprite filters for your shower head, go ahead and get the 4-pack, because then it will last you an entire year. You change out one every 3 months, and it will keep your water in tip-top shape. So I've had this shower head for about 3 years now. I haven't been the best at changing the filters when I'm supposed to, but that's mainly because I don't buy enough to begin with. So go ahead and get the 4-pack so you can easily change them out when you need to. And they are very easily changeable. You just twist off the top and stick it in the wand again and put the top back on, and you're good to go. Now, at the base of the top of the shower head, there's like this little dial, and it's got all the months on it. So you can set that dial to the month that you're actually changing the filter, or you can set it to the month 3 months from now that you will need to replace the filter. It's up to you, but it's a kind of a little convenient thing that you can just look at once in a while just to make sure you're on task. For me personally, I just input the date that I changed the filter into my task reminder on my phone so that I get a reminder every 3 months to keep my water nice and soft. So I decided on this particular shower head because of its benefits for my hair and my skin. My water is very, very hard. It's so hard I don't even feed it to my cats to drink. So it's really important for me to have a good filter for my hair growth journey and also for my skin and keeping it youthful and free from any harsh chemicals like chlorine that could really damage your hair and skin. So full disclaimer, I did at some point during the 3 years have to change out the hose, but the hose was very easy to find. I think I even ordered that replacement on Amazon. But the shower head has been really great for me. I usually just keep it on the one setting that works for all my needs, and I think I'll keep it for a while.